Maxim Integrated's MAX77324 evaluation kit supports the evaluation and design of high-efficiency step-down converters using the ultra-small MAX77324 buck converter. The MAX77324 can output up to 1.5 amps at 0.6 to 2 volts with plus or minus 2% voltage accuracy and operates from a 2.5 to 4.8 volt supply with up to 93% conversion efficiency. The converter is packaged in a small 6-bump WLP and switches at 2 MHz, allowing the use of an 0603 inductor and resulting in a total solution size of just 6.89 square millimeters. The MAX77324 uses a constant on-time PWM control scheme with an automatic skip mode for high light load efficiency. The evaluation kit provides a proven design with connection points for easy evaluation and high accuracy measurements, as well as a test point and jumper for the IC's enable pin.